Free Will by Sam Harris. The main idea of the book is our actions are the results of our brain states at any moment, which are in turn subject to prior causes. It is useless to blame people for what they are. Free will is basically an illusion. Our wills are simply not of our own making. Thoughts and intentions emerge from background, causes of which we are not aware and over which we exert no conscious control. We don't have the freedom we think we have. With the same genes, life history, brain, and even soul, we would have done what that man did in that moment. In reality, though, the author argues our action and thoughts are the direct result of our neurological wiring and brain states. There are so many processes in our brain that we have no control over, any more than we control our heartbeat or our breathing. We don't decide the next thought we think, thinking just happens. Decisions don't arise from consciousness, they appear in consciousness. Harris argues that we don't determine our wants, they are given by the cosmos in ways that we cannot fathom. Perhaps you feel thirsty and you drink a glass of water, but not glass of juice. Why not juice? It did not occur to you any more than it occurred to the man to untie his victims from the bed before the fire started. You can do what you decide to do, but you cannot decide what you will decide to do. The idea that free will is an illusion has had plenty of support in philosophy. Some philosophers dismissed free will out of hand and said centuries before, all our ideas will be determined by a chain of previous causes. In Beyond Good and Evil, Nietzsche wrote, I shall never tire of emphasizing a small fact, namely that a thought comes when it wishes and not when I wish. Harris spent years practicing Buddhist meditation, the very purpose of which is to lose this sense of an indelible, solid self, and the influence of this practice is clear in his work. The other essential feature of Buddhism, of course, is its emphasis on causality. Our lives are shaped by our actions in other lives, of which we will never be aware. Karma plays itself out whether we believe it in free will or not.